Hey everyone, my name's Mark Tinderholt, the author of Mastering Terraform, which just released July 26, 2024, a few short months ago. And I have some exciting news for all of you that are attending HashiConf this year. During both days of the conference, I'll be hosting a special book signing between 12:30 to 2 p.m. during lunch. The book signing will take place at the Ask an Ambassador space, so you can swing by, grab your lunch, and come have a chat while I sign your copy of my book, Mastering Terraform. But here's the best part. This book signing isn't just any old book signing. It's a giveaway. First come, first served, while supplies last, you can get a free copy of my book, Mastering Terraform. Supplies are limited, so make sure that you're there early to secure your copy. I'm really looking forward to meeting you all, sharing more about Terraform, and hearing about your own journey with infrastructure as code. So don't forget, lunchtime both days, grab your free copy of Mastering Terraform while supplies last. See you there. This is the Azure Terraformer, signing off.